In this video, we are going to do this beautiful bottle cover, and we are going to be needing 4 mm hook size, a scissor, a needle, any yarn will do. This is what I have done. So you can either have like this or without. It's up to you. You can make it longer or shorter. It's up to you also. So here, let's go. Make a slip knot. There, you've made your first chain there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then slip stitch into the first. You have to work with the tail, okay? Now chain 2. No, chain 3. Chain 3, this count as a 1 double crochet. You're going to make 12. So insert here. 12 double crochet. Now you have 3. You're going to make 12 double crochet until you reach the end. Okay, this is 10, 11, and then 12. And then when you reach 12, pull up the yarn so the hole will be closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. This you are going to slip stitch here. And then after this, you are going to do is to make an increase. So an increase is you're going to make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So you're going to do is to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the same stitch, you're going to do is double crochet. So you have 2 double crochet already. And then after that, into the next stitch, you're going to make another double crochet increase. 2 double crochet into each of the double crochet around. I'll see you later on. Now, we've left 1 stitch. So you're going to do your last double crochet increase. You should have 24 stitches around, and then into the first double crochet you're going to do is to do a slip stitch there. Then after that, chain 3, and then into the second you're going to do is to do a double crochet, and then after that you're going to do increase like that. So you're going to do 2 double crochet and then 2 double crochet in 1 stitch all the way until you reach here. Okay, now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch, you're going to do double crochet increase. Insert your hook into the next stitch and then do your double crochet increase like this. Okay, you're gonna do this all the way until you reach here. And then after that, you're going to do your last increase. 1 set, 1 double crochet, and then into the last, you're going to make your double crochet increase. See? You should have the stitch count of 33 double crochet, and into this pose, you're going to do your slip stitch, and after this, you're going to do chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then into the next stitch, you are going to make double crochet. Then after that, you're going to do your increase. Double crochet increase. Increase is you're going to do 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So you're going to do this pattern all the way until you reach here. We've reached the last 1, 2, 3 stitches. So you're going to make 2 double crochet into 2 stitches. And after that, you're going to do your last increase. There you go. You should have the stitch count of 44. And now you're going to do is to slip stitch, and after that you are going to work on the back loops. But before that, you're going to do is to do the chain 3. 1, 2, 3 into the next stitch. See, you can see this one. You're going to work on only in the back loop. This is the front loop and then the back loop. We are going to do double crochet all the way around the globe, around the circle, until you reach the last stitch. Now you've reached your last stitch, so back loops only, and then you should have the stitch count of 44, and then into this pose you're going to do a slip stitch. There you go, see, and then you're going to make one more round of it. Onto the last stitch, you're going to do your last double crochet. And then you're going to do is to do the, of course, slip stitch. So here, this is how it looks like. So now you're going to do is to chain 2. Okay, chain 2, and then after that you're going to do to work on the front post. This is what you call the front post. So 2 front post double crochet like that. So easy. And then after that you're going to do back post double crochet. So you're going to pop the yarn like that and put your hook into your bum. I'm just joking. And then put it here, the back of the post, and then do your double crochet one more time. So you're gonna do front post double crochet, and then back post double crochet. Then you're gonna do this all the way until you reach here. Okay, into the last stitch you're going to do front post. I'm so confused about that. Long. And then after that you're going to do is the slip stitch here into the first double crochet that you've made, like that. So you're going to do this pattern all the way until it reaches. So like this is how it looks like that. So you're going to make it until the neck. Okay, and then we're going to make our last front post double crochet, and then slip stitch into the first crochet. And now we're just going to make one round of double crochet. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet into the next. We're gonna make this for 44 stitches. There, until we reach here. There you go, make your last double crochet and then slip stitch. After you make your slip stitch, you're going to chain 1 and then 1 single crochet, 44 stitches around. Last single crochet and then slip stitch. So it's up to you if you want to add the strap here or not, just like that for carry on. It's like this. It's up to you. So we're going to cut the yarn and then we are going to weave in and we are done. Now we are going to do the strap. Chain 150. 150, and then second chain from the hook, do your slip stitch all the way, going back to the first chain that you made. You've reached the last slip stitch, and then after that you're going to chain 1. After chain 1 you are going to work on again another slip stitch until you reach on the other side here. And now you reach your last stitch. There you go. And after that, you show a lot of yarn. Okay, and there you have it. And thanks so much for keeping me company, and I hope that you learned something, and hope to see you again in my next video. Much love from me.